It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 3rd of October. I'm Michael Groff. 92 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday, and we'll start a warming trend today that will continue through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Temperatures feeling more like summer than fall, with highs approaching the century mark by the weekend. What about some rain chances? Do we have any shot at any rain around here? We really could use some. Let's find out as we look outside this morning here at the unfathomably insane hour of 4:22 a.m. Clear skies in the valley right now, and we're at 70 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 46, humidity 43%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, upper 60s, low 70s for most of us. On the water vapor satellite view, the pattern pretty much the same as it's been for a while. Anomalous ridging across the Gulf Coast and through much of the east, troughing to our north and west. Dry west and southwesterly flow for us today. Here's the watch warning map. Winter storm warnings across parts of Montana, wind advisories throughout the west with that big trough. Rest of the country is pretty quiet. The severe weather outlook, a marginal risk across sections of New Mexico. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. About a quarter inch or so for the White Mountains of eastern Arizona, but for us, absolutely nothing. And that's going to hold true likely for the next 10 days and beyond. And you'll see that as we check the models right now. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure in the east, troughing to our north and west. Southwesterly flow aloft. Down at the surface, sunny skies today, highs in the low and middle 90s. Tonight, clear, lows in the 60s to about 70. Tomorrow, high pressure strengthens and expands westward from the Gulf Coast. And a little bit of moisture sneaks into eastern Arizona for a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms there, but we're going to be sunny and dry with highs in the mid-90s. On Thursday, mid and upper 90s are likely here in the valley, still a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in eastern Arizona. Friday, this is probably our warmest day or one of our warmest days of the forecast period with high pressure moving across northern Mexico and the heights coming up. Sunny skies, highs, upper 90s to about 100. Same thing on Saturday. Sunday, mid and upper 90s are likely as ridging continues to expand into the eastern Pacific, troughing beginning to set up across the Intermountain West and the Pacific Northwest. Flow aloft becomes more northwesterly, and then by Monday, still highs in the mid to upper 90s with a continuation of sunny and dry conditions. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 10th of October. Troughing passing by, conditions cooling off just a little bit, but we remain dry with westerly flow. Highs mostly upper 80s and low 90s. Ridging beginning to expand back toward the west on Wednesday the 11th. And this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Thursday the 12th of October. Troughing across the northwest. Dry westerly flow around here. Highs generally in the lower 90s or so. Temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period above normal this week. A little bit of cooling by the beginning of next week. And then more or less high temperatures right about where they should be for early and mid-October. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you like our videos, subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, have yourselves a great Tuesday.